I figured I'd show you the bandwidth of my Michigan cacti. On 20 meters, like any vertical it seems, it's really broadbanded, covers the whole band with an SWR of under 1.2 to 1. On 15 meters, it covers a CW, well, the QRP frequency. You better straighten things out. With 1.2 to 1, and the SSB portion up to 21.2 at 1.7 to 1 SWR. It's 400 kilohertz on 15 meters with a 2.5 to 1 SWR. That's the bandwidth on 15. On 10 meters, let's see what I wrote. QRP frequency is SWR 1.3 to 1. On sideband up to 28.4, 1.7 to 1. At 28.5 megahertz, the SWR is 2. And the 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1 SWR bandwidth on 10 meters is about 800 kilohertz. On 6 meters, come on, I generally only operate on 50.090 or 50.010 or 50.125. So on all of those frequencies, I've got an SWR of about 1.2 to 1. And the 2.5 to 1 SWR bandwidth on 6 meters is about 1.3 megahertz. So that is the Michigan cacti.